Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you've not subscribed, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like and share. Also, the link to our Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will see the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, to those of you that were actually following me, you see that we actually did analysis last week on gold, which we were predicting this move, right? This was the move for last week. We were predicting gold to actually fall, and exactly what gold gave us. Gold eventually gave us that drop, right? Simple. If you've not watched it, you can go back to the channel and watch the last video. I explain it in detail why we should be expecting it, why we'll be expecting this drop. Now, I'm going to also explain it to those of you that have not watched it. You will see that on this monthly time frame, you see that this is the resistance level, right? We can see that when price came here, we had a drop from this level. Price came to this level, we had a drop, and again, price rejected from this level. We can clearly see this as a resistance. When you take a look at this movement here, you see that a rejection was made here. One, a rejection was made here two times. This will be taken as the support. Then another rejection from this level. What is this again? Price rejected and it went up, right? Support level. So what is price now doing from here after rejecting from the resistance? Definitely it will be coming down to this our support. So like I said previously, in the long run, gold will be giving us a bearish move. So we'll be expecting more bearish move. Now, if you take a look at it on the monthly time frame, it will look something like this: an impulse move to the downside, right? This would be the correction, right? This we are expecting another impulse move to the downside. So we'll be expecting another lows that will take out this previous lower low. So you can see that this is the previous lower lows here. The price gave us a correction. So we'll be expecting a new lower lows that will break this previous lower lows. So it is still the same. Our prediction is still the same. Gold have to drop. Gold will still drop. So we'll be expecting more drop. So what you want to be looking out for on gold is more sell, sell, sell. That is the only way you will be profitable. Now let's go to the weekly time frame. Since last week we were predicting a bearish move on gold. Gold eventually gave us that bearish move. Now when you take a look at this, right, this move is not yet over. We are still expecting more drop for these lows to be taken out. This lows needs to be taken out. I mean, when you take a look at something like this, a lower lows here, right? Price give us a correction or a pullback, whatever you want to call it, right? Then another new lows, which took out this previous lower lows, right? Still a downtrend move. Then a lower highs was made here. Guess what? It actually did not take out this previous lower highs. As long as price did not take out this previous lower highs, then it is still on a downtrend move. Then eventually price gave us a new lower lows, breaking this previous lower lows here, right? Now this is a correction, a lower highs here, right? After that lower highs, what are we expecting is, of course, we are expecting a new lower lows. So a new lower lows will be playing out on gold. Thereby, that new lower lows needs to take out this previous lows. That is to tell you that since we had a bearish move last week, this week also we should be expecting a bearish movement on gold. So gold, a bearish move. Let's go down to the daily time frame. So we can sit on this daily time frame. This is a massive fall, by the way. Let me see this movement. You can see that this is a drop, right? Of course, this is a correction that has been played out. So this is one of the reason why you are seeing a candlestick wick here, right? It is, when price pushes up, it eventually drop. It's rejected from that level. That is still an indication that price is still weak to push up. So, and it is still tell you that more drop is to come. So, guys, more drop is to come. So this on the daily time frame also says we will be expecting another drop. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. Let's see what this 4-hour time frame is saying. So this is just a correction or a pullback, as you may want to call it. This is just a correction or a pullback. So a new lower lows needs to be formed here, taking out this previous lows here on the 4-hour time frame, giving us a new lower lows. Then a lower highs will be formed on the 4-hour time frame. Then another lower lows will be formed. So we'll be expecting new lower lows, lower highs, which will be seen as the correction or the pullback, whatever you want to call it. Then another new lower lows to the downside, which will be considered the impulse move to the downside. So gold, like I said, still more bearish move to be made. So more drop is to come on gold.